Guys, how we all doing? So I wanted to share this night outfit inspiration with you. So I thought to film it and you're going to be watching it now. I'm collaborating with an amazing YouTuber here on YouTube. Just check my description box below. I'm going to leave the link to her channel as well. And now without further ado, let's just dive into this video. So for this first look, I wanted something very feminine, yet very simple and easy to pull together. So I chose two basic colors, which happens to be white and black. And I just wanted something so clean, simple, and easy to pull together. So I pulled this wrap blouse out that gives a very feminine vibe and also helps me to look very chic and pretty. But also I chose to layer with white at the bottom. The white helps to give this outfit some kind of brightness and lightness and airiness to it, and then accentuated with pinks, very soft shades of pink, and this helped to tie the whole look together. When I tell you less is more, less really is more. It's very easy to style pieces that are very simple, and all you have to do is to just look for something to layer. I really love this kimono dress. It's so pretty, so airy. It would be nice for like a picnic date. It would be also nice to just grab maybe some dessert with your partner, or just to go. I like how easy it is, how breezy it is. It doesn't take away from the fact that it's still very chic, and styling this was really easy. All I needed to look for was a white camisole, like you can see here. Just put on your dress. I decided to pair it with a floral bag, and you can choose a solid bag if that's what you'd prefer, but this look is so effortless and chic. And I still kept the sandal because this sandal helps to elevate the look and give it this date friendly night look. And you know what? I have something special coming up for you guys on my channel. That's why it's important, if you haven't subscribed, do so now, unless you're going to be missing out. I'm going to be coming out with a Shop Your Closet series. I'm going to be helping you to style your pieces as we're transitioning to autumn and maybe even winter. Just stay tuned. So for this one, it's just giving me, I'm coming from the office and I want to have a date night or evening date with my husband, or we're just going to grab a quick meal outside. So I could have easily be wearing an office shoe with this outfit, and now I am wearing some sandals with it, and it looks still very date appropriate. I wanted this look to be very realistic. I didn't want it to be far-fetched, and this white and black skirt and then tying it with just pinks, I think is so easy but beautiful. This is the final look. It's the last but definitely not the least. I love this number. The dress is so smart. It's something you can wear to work as well. And then if you want to make it date night friendly, you just put on your sandal. And I'm going to show you that you cannot just only pair or accessorize this outfit with just pinks. It's also possible to accessorize it with a different color. We're going to be seeing that shortly. So here I have my pink bag still, but I have changed my shoes, and now I am pairing it with some slippers. You know how it's important for you to be able to go out and still be comfortable? Yes, I'm that girl. I love my slippers. I love flats. I still like to wear heels once in a while, but comfort is key. And you could also throw on a brown bag. This is very easy to wear. And the beautiful thing about it is you have to be able to wear your pieces in different ways. It's never a one-way type of combination. And I hope you enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed making it for you. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, And also, I want to hear your comments in the comment section below. Thanks.